If base nutrients have phosphorus and potassium in them, are PK boosters really necessary? I know I had a couple people actually say that PK boosters were just snake oil.
It's mineral nutrition. So it's phosphorus and potassium. So is it necessary? Well, it really depends on your nutrient program. So for instance, I would say that PK boosters for certain cultivars would be necessary, especially if you're running a very efficient fertigation program. Because in an efficient fertigation program, you're not over applying phosphorus and potassium, definitely not phosphorus, at times where the plant doesn't need too much phosphorus. So you would want the phosphorus to be right within the ranges that you would expect to find in healthy leaf tissue tests. Now, certain cultivars may have a certain point at which they do have a higher than baseline need for phosphorus. And in those situations, having a PK boost that you can do for maybe 1 to 2 weeks of that plant's growth cycle when it really needs that phosphorus boost would definitely benefit. Because like I said before, you don't want that phosphorus to be a bottleneck in the plant's metabolism, especially in those important stages where there's a lot of secondary metabolisms happening and we're making all of our nice secondary metabolites that we like. So there is definitely a need for PK boosters. I mean, to tell you the truth, the most common PK booster that we've used in the ag world is just straight up monopotassium phosphate. It's 0.5234. Doesn't get more PK boosty than that, really. There's different versions like dipotassium phosphate. There's a product from ICL called PEC acid, which is basically a crystallized phosphoric acid. It's 0.6020. But there's plenty of mineral nutrition solutions in the ag industry for PK boosts because that requirement exists in plants. To have certain boosts of certain macronutrients during growth stages where you don't want to apply those high levels of those like phosphorus and potassium throughout the entire growth cycle because it's unnecessary. So yes, PK boosters do have a place, but they have a place in a well-programmed and a well-planned fertigation and fertilizer protocol.
This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrowIt15 to save on any of their products.